How to fix App Store not downloading apps on iPhone. First, open settings. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now tap on General. Tap on Software Update and update your iPhone software. Now go back. Scroll down. Tap on VPN and device management. Here disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Scroll up. Tap on date and time. Set it to automatically. Now go back. Now tap on iPhone storage. Here make sure that enough storage is empty to download the app. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on screen time. Scroll down. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now enable installing apps. Now go back. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Here tap on App Store. Now here select automatic app downloads. Now scroll down. Here also select automatic downloads over cellular data. Now taps on app downloads. Always allow. Now go back. Restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed.